from Perth, Western Australia. Today we're taking a scenic walk through the Crawley area. This peaceful neighbourhood is just 5.8 kilometres from the busy Perth Central Business District. Crawley is known for its beautiful riverside spots, and it is home to the famous University of Western Australia, the state's oldest university. This area was named after Henry Charles Sutherland's mother, whose maiden name was Crawley. To get here, I took a public bus from nearby Subiaco, but you can also drive or cycle. This 1 hour, 2 kilometre free self-guided walk is developed by the City of Perth's tourism unit. The route covers 9 key spots along the picturesque Matilda Bay. Number 1, Playground at Matilda Bay, J.H. Abrahams Reserve. We start our walk at the J.H. Abrahams Reserve playground. Joseph Abrahams, Subiaco's mayor for 25 years, had this park named after him in 1980. Originally, this land was part of Nedlands and was later taken over by Subiaco in 1907. This riverside spot has been a local favourite since the 1890s for picnics, swimming and crabbing. From the playground, we walk 135 metres north along the shoreline towards the next location. Number 2, Pelican Point. Next we reach Pelican Point, a great place to spot birds, especially pelicans. Unfortunately, we did not see any pelicans today. Known as Gordandalap by the Whadjuk Noongar people, this area was traditionally where couples met and married. In summer, this is also a popular spot for windsurfing and kitesurfing. We head east along the river for about 182 metres to enter Matilda Bay Reserve. Number 3, Matilda Bay Reserve. At Matilda Bay Reserve, we can enjoy views of the Swan River and even spot dolphins. Sadly, we did not see any dolphins today. Many water birds, including swans, pelicans and ducks, make this reserve their home. During World War II, Matilda Bay was an operations base for the US Navy, and flying boats took off and landed here. From the boardwalk, we head east for another 73 metres further into the Matilda Bay Reserve. Number 4, Matilda Bay East. As we walk further, we will reach Matilda Bay East with its beautiful bushland and native wildflowers in August and September. This area was important to the Noongar people for gathering food like shellfish, turtles and wild fruits, and even as a camping spot well into the 20th century. We continue for another 96 metres along the path as it turns north. Number 5, Tree Walk. Follow the tree walk path, which is great for walking, cycling, or even pushing a pram. We enjoy the dappled sunshine as it makes its way through the canopy of trees. We cross Australia Drive and continue along Hackett Drive until we reach the Swan River foreshore again, near Matilda Bay Restaurant. Number 6, Matilda Bay Restaurant. Matilda Bay Restaurant has been serving fine meals with river views since 1968. We will also see the Royal Perth Yacht Club across the water, one of Australia's oldest yacht clubs. This is a great place to stop here for a snack or drink, or enjoy a picnic on the nearby benches. After a rest, we continue for another 288 metres north along the shoreline. Number 7, Matilda Bay Gazebo. Along the way, we will pass the Matilda Bay Gazebo, a popular meeting spot with fantastic views of Perth's skyline. Number 8, Bayside Kitchen. If you are after a more casual dining spot, Bayside Kitchen is just around the corner. Known for its relaxed vibe, it serves breakfast and lunch with great views of the Swan River. Last but not least, number 9, Matilda Bay Restaurant. Here you can take a restroom break before we end our Crawley walk. Follow the path as it curves south and west, and soon you will find yourself back at the starting point. Optional stops nearby include the Instagram-famous Blue Boat Shed and Eliza statue. Alternatively, we can explore the grounds of the University of Western Australia, known for its beautiful gardens and large green spaces. I hope you enjoyed this scenic walk. Crawley and Matilda Bay offers a mix of nature, history and relaxation, all just minutes from the heart of Perth. For now, I am off to wander around the UWA grounds and soak up some academic vibes.